Hey friends, welcome back to the Maple Leaf Barn. I'm Libby and today I am on a mission to go find two large planter pots because my David Austin roses are on their way here and I am actually going to pot those up instead of planting them as shrubs in the landscape. So I thought I would take you along with me. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for all of our future rose videos. Today we are heading to Delhi Hills Flower and Garden Center in Liberty Township, Ohio. They are locally owned and operated by the Maddox family and have been since 1960. If you are a local, be sure to head over to Delhi Hills Flower and Garden Center to check out their inventory. They just received their spring planter pot shipment and have a huge selection of pottery. They also have an amazing selection of indoor plants, so if you're looking for a unique house plant, be sure to head over and visit them. Additionally, they have several cute cats who live on the premise, and so not only are they adorable, but they are incredibly friendly. I found two pots, the perfect style and size I was looking for, and they were in the 50% off section, which was a huge bonus. They are a terracotta style, and so I'm happy with what I got. Let's head home and see if my David Austin roses shipment has arrived. Yay, they arrived! I wasn't able to get around to soaking and planting until the evening, but this is how it went. I've never purchased a bare root rose, so it was super cool to see how they packaged it. These are the Eustacia Vi Rose and Charles Darwin Rose by David Austin Roses from Tyler, Texas. As a misplaced Texan in Ohio, I appreciate that they came from the Lone Star State. Anyhow, I let the roots soak for exactly 2 hours. David Austin Roses suggests that they soak for a minimum of 2 hours, so don't rush the process like I did, but I was working against the sun, so that's what happened. You'll want to use a pot that is about 17 inches wide and deep. Then add some styrofoam or broken pottery to the bottom of the pots to help with drainage. Add a 50-50 compost and potting soil into the pots. Use your preferred plant food, fertilizer, and mycorrhizal fungi. This just helps the plant acclimate to its surroundings better and get it going. Gently position the roots into the pots, making sure the roots are not crinkled. Be sure to have the graft point covered and fill the pot up until the roses are completely submerged with only the branches sticking out of the soil. Heavily water in the pot with a watering can or hose with a gentle sprayer. I recommend leaving the label on so you can identify the rose variation later on, and that's it. They should bloom in June or July, and I will be sure to keep you updated. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for all of our future farm videos coming soon. See you next time.